Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about dancehall artist Stephanie Meddik Williams that was recently reported missing. A friend of Meddick's boyfriend or road manager said that allegedly he killed her because she cheated on him. So let's get into the initial story and let's talk about the allegations because we have receipts and screenshots of what was said. I'm sourcing this information from Jamaica Gleaner, and it says the heartbreaking news of her daughter disappearance has left Millicent McCarthy, the mother of Jamaican dancehall artist DJ Stephanie Williams, also known as Meddik, distress. Williams, 29, who was reported missing on Thursday, was last seen wearing black blouse, black tights, and a pair of black shoes. She is of brown complexion, slim build, and approximately 169 centimeters, 5 feet 7 inches tall. Reports from Constant Spring Police Station are that Williams, who is from Mayfair Red Hill Road in St. Andrew, left home sometime on Thursday afternoon and has not been seen since. In a tear-filled interview with Jamaica Gleaner yesterday, McCarthy said she knew something was amiss when she reportedly tried to call her daughter on Thursday evening but was unable to get through. She deemed it strange because Williams, the first of three daughters, who was constantly on her phone, she said. She sleeps with her phone, she wakes up with her phone, she does everything with her phone, McCarthy said, adding that two share a special bond and would speak frequently, especially because McCarthy lives in Savalamar, where she raised her children. The distraught mother shared that in an earlier conversation with one of her sisters, Williams said she had a video shoot to do in Ocheria, St. Anne, and her boyfriend and road manager told her to get ready for the event. Since then, said mother, and all attempts made by relatives to get in touch with her daughter have been futile. She said the family is yet to receive a response from Williams' management team, Navigator Entertainment, after multiple attempts to get information about the planned video shoot. McCarthy and her youngest daughter are currently in Kingston in search of answers while working with the police to find her missing child. It is very worrying and distressing. We've been trying to contact her friends to see if anyone has heard from her, to see if we can try to figure out what has happened or what is happening, a family member told the Sunday Gleaner, adding that when you go missing, as times extend, gets more worse. She is fairly popular person, so maybe someone saw her in a car somewhere, something. So any information we can get will be useful at this point in time, a family member continued. Meddik is a well-known performer on the dancehall scene, best known for her song Boss Level with Javalani and Like What. She's also a businesswoman who manufactures and distributes natural hair and skincare products under the brand name Reborn Holistic. Family members describe Williams as a woman with a strong work ethic and an unwavering sense of independence. Her affection for her family and friends, particularly her mother and sisters, with whom she has a close relationship, is frequently expressed through warm embraces. I need your help, McCarthy said, pleading with anyone with information to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1421 or the 119 police emergency number or the nearest police station. So my rule of thumb for women in Jamaica, because I've been doing this for a long time, is that if you're 18 years or older and you've been missing for over a week and no one have heard from you, you're either the maniad or you're dead. Sorry to any of her family member or whoever is watching this, but it's the truth, and I've actually been doing this for a real long time. But the receipt that I'm about to post proves my point that she is probably unalived. So I left the person's TikTok name that posted the video and the screenshot up. So if you guys want to follow them or will see the video in its entirety from the source, you can do so. And this is the person that posted that on social media. He alleged that Meddik was unalived by her road manager because she dissed him, meaning she cheated on him multiple times and he warned her multiple times. So I took the time out to zoom in and pause the screenshots of allegedly what he said on social media. And it reads, Style me G too much plus him warn you and you still go F pan the G. Cause uno owner effing ladies no man non take certain this or whatever. So best if you hold your own because mental health real and I know everybody can take hurt and pressure is what he posted on social media. So allegedly he's insinuating that Meddik cheated and she cost her own life because she cheated. This is an ongoing problem with Jamaican people, men, women, period, where cheating leads to killing each other. And I'm going to say this, friends of a feather flock together. So if you know of this person and you live in Canada, because he allegedly live in Canada, stay far from him. Because if he can sit around and know what his friend did and is comfortable posting it on social media, but is not comfortable calling the Jamaica Constabulary Force and telling him or telling them what he knows firsthand, allegedly, then you are just as bad as him. And quite frankly, you are a co conspirator of a crime. And if you're in Canada, and they find this on social media, they can definitely drag you up in a police station in Canada because you posted this on social media. So that means you know of a crime, you know something happened, you posted it on social media, but you didn't contact authorities. So with that being said, all of this is alleged information, but I included the screenshots. I don't want anybody coming for me because this is what they posted on social media. And to her Meddik's road manager, you forgot jail. They need to put you underneath the jail if that's what you did to the girl. If someone cheats on you and you want to leave, and they want to leave you, all you got to do is leave them. That is your sign. They were not for you. Okay? God put a sign and made them cheat so you can move on with your life, take your talents, your money, or whatever you were giving out and take it somewhere else. I can't find the owner of Navigator Entertainment anywhere on social media. They just post the people that they work with, and they have worked with a lot of prominent names. So if the police want to go find them, they will. Also, I can't find a picture anywhere of her road manager, which is suspect because if you're a road manager, you would normally be supporting your artist, kind of like how Rumi supported Shensia, but I can't find any picture of Meddik and her road manager. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video here, and I hope her family gets closure, find closure, or finds her body or something to give them closure because no one want to have a family member missing and they can't get closure, especially someone like her. And this just put me in the mind of Donnelly Kies. But with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.